with all the bad things that go on in the world, I thought I would concentrate on something that makes me feel very good, perhaps too good. And I'll show you. We're gonna go there. I'm on my way to the supermarket, Big Y in Danielson, Connecticut, because I want you to see this. This used to be a horrible, horrible, horrible road. Okay. It's a thing of beauty now. I'm just putting it in neutral. I'm just coasting. I mean, sometimes government makes mistakes, but oh God, the people who got together and paved this piece of road and turned it from a car-destroying clusterfuck into this beautiful streak of pavement. Blissful! Blissful! This is Furnace Street as well. Oh my God. Oh, it's so smooth. Let me feel how smooth it is. Oh, it's so smooth. My God, is it smooth. Oh, and glorious air conditioning. There's so much to be grateful for. They fixed the roads. Thanks to modern invention, we have air conditioning. God bless that guy. You know what? Some good things happen occasionally. It's not all complete bullshit. You have to have your bullshit because, you know, basis for comparison, life's gotta flow. Electricity only works if you have your positive and your negative. It's July 1st, 2022. Still alive and kicking, and we have smooth roads in town.